So summer also I interned with Flipkart. I interned in product management only.
But then by the end of the first term, whatever happens, the second term was all about summer placements.
My internship was so good that they decided to call me back. Meeting up with seniors to understand their interview process, and so you can prepare for yours. But when I attended, there would be one day dedicated to just attending GDs of the companies that have shortlisted you. You really need to have your stamina in terms of being able to talk ready for that.
I remember now this I know this is a long time ago, but I doubt how much things have changed. When we reached there, obviously the first term is a shocker for many people, is because now you're competing in a different crowd. But then by the end of the first term, whatever happens, the second term was all about summer placements. The moment you land and people tell you before you go off on the term break is you're gonna come here, it'll be summer placements. How does it work now when you were there? How did the summer placements happen?
Yeah, so it was pretty much what you said. And like I told you, right, I was very low on awareness of the entire process. So I wasn't aware there's going to be an interview for internship. I mean, I don't think I even knew there was this concept of internship till someone said, hey, we have like interviews lined up for internship. And I was like, oh, wow, what's this concept of internship and all of that, right? Yeah, I was quite unaware of how things work. Like you rightly pointed out, second term does go into your resume prep, getting your resume verified. There is that working on it with the placecom team and realizing that you have a long way to go. Meeting up with seniors to understand their interview process, and so you can prepare for yours. So these were some of the things that we had to do in the second term, in addition to juggling work and assignments and all of that, keeping the internship focus, right? And then again, I think it would happen in your fourth or fifth term. Again, you start preparing for interviews. You would have the lateral hiring happening for those with more than 2 years of experience, and you have the final interview for the freshers and those who didn't get the right opportunity in laterals
Right. But
trying
that's
again in
final
the
placements you're
freshers.
talking about. But summer
Yes,
placements, does it
yes.
happen? What's the structure? How does summer placements work at IM Bangalore?
Right. So summer placements, final placements is pretty
Okay.
much the same structure. So at least when I attended, because I hear GD is not very popular these days, but when I attended, there would be one day dedicated to just attending GDs of the companies that have shortlisted you
So all
based on your
companies come on the
resume.
same day?
And
Or,
then
or
so GD, I remember
right.
being a hectic day and attending a lot of companies, but did it happen over
Okay.
2 days? I'm not sure.
So just GD. You go from one room
Yeah,
to
but
the
I
other
just
room,
remember,
just talking and
yeah,
talking and talking and talking and
yes,
talking.
yes. You really need to have your stamina in terms of being able to talk ready for that. So you give GDs to the companies that have shortlisted you, and then if you're shortlisted in the GDs, then you have your interviews. Now, interview is where you have like day zero, day one, day two, day three kind of a thing lineup. I think day zero mostly goes to consulting firms and the really the best offer company. Then you have day one firms, which are the next wave of companies looking to
And
hire
is there a
and
gap
so
between
that's
the
how it
GD
happens.
day and the day
Uh,
0, 1, 2, 3?
if you don't have a day zero
Of
shortlist, you
course.
definitely get a break.
So GD के बाद
Yeah,
immediately
of
day
course you get
zero.
a
Is
break.
that right?
Day zero,
Yes.
yes,
No, no,
is
that's
how I
fine. That's fine.
recall. Yeah.
What about the big tech companies? Do they come? Are they like with the day zero companies, or do they come a bit later?
I think tech companies came at
Okay.
part of day one.
Yes.
You have that
And I'm
again.
guessing you would be targeting those
Day
companies
zero
given
was
your
mostly
computer science background, or did you go all across and
yes.
spread the net wide?
I think somebody asked me, "Are you interested in consulting?" And I asked, "How is the work-life balance in consulting world?" And it didn't seem very promising from a work-life balance point of view. So did not opt for that. Product management role, like I said, the client in Cognizant had kind of seeded this thought that hey, you'd be good for product management. And then when I spoke to seniors, I got some very interesting anecdotes about hey, what is product management? So all of that kind of made me interested in the role. So gave my best
Right.
for tech
Right. So
and
you
tech
were like
roles.
very focused, product management, tech, ideally, and maybe a bit here and there as backup. And do you
Yes,
think is that
yes.
true for most of your classmates, or because I remember, and maybe it's a sign of the times, but people were doing investment banking, consulting, marketing, everything. कि जहाँ पे भी लग जाए लग
So I think I knew investment banking is not going to work for me because accounting was definitely not my forte, right? Anything to do with finances and all of that, I was struggling. So that was not my forte. Second thing is my dad worked in sales and marketing or is working in sales and marketing. So I've seen that life and that kind of environment where it's all target focused and, it felt like a pressure cooker in that role. So that never really excited me as much as product
And a
management
lot
did.
of traveling also in sales and marketing. Is that right? And in consulting.
I think traveling would have been a bonus because now I end up traveling and paying for
Right.
it by myself.
Okay. Okay. So you're saying that summer placement you focus, and where did you get placed in summers?
So summer also I
Flipkart.
interned
Okay.
with Flipkart. Yeah, I interned
Hmm.
in product management only. So it was almost a 2 month stint with stipend. I worked on this concept of dynamic
Okay.
creative optimization. So basically spec'd out how for Flipkart, they can show maybe ads or merchandising content in a dynamic way, customized and personalized for the end user. So I worked on that. Fast forward, I got an
Hmm.
offer from Flipkart itself,
So you
and
got a
that's how
PPO.
I joined.
Is that right?
So it's not exactly a PPO because that year, actually, Flipkart had
Okay.
announced they are not hiring. But my internship was so good that they decided to call me back. So I had attended campus placements. I had an opportunity through the lateral process, but I kind of got the Flipkart option
Okay, okay.
offline
So
and then
technically not a PPO, but at least in my language, I'll classify it as PPO. For me is something when
then
you get
PPO.
an
Yeah,
offer, when you get hired based on the work you did in your 2 months of
yeah,
internship, rather than based on some two interviews that you
right,
do in a placement process. Right. And
right.
from what you
You're
were
right.
talking about the
Yes.
dynamic
Dynamic
creative.
creative optimization. So creatives are basically the ads or
Hmm.
the posters that you kind of see, right? So dynamic creative optimization is where like we look at you, we're like, hey, what would mix buy? And then put together
Right.
content that will get mixed to,
So as
click
a
and buy.
layman, as I see it, that this is the industry
Mhm.
or the type of stuff that Amazon mastered. That's why Amazon is where Amazon is globally. They created this industry, right? That I'll give you,
Right.
I'll show you. If you have bought this, then you should also buy that kind of thing. So
Buy
you were
that.
working, you
Yeah.
created that for
Right.
Flipkart. Is that correct?
Okay, created that would be a big thing because my internship was only 2 months. So I had spec the concept for
Right.
dynamic creative optimization. After that, yeah, had just handed over the spec for